Good morning students, most welcome online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College Jarauli phase 2. Students, we were discussing about linear equation in two variables in class 10th English medium, and in last video I have told you elimination method and substitutional method, and last exercise I have told you question number 41, and I am saying that last 4 questions are very easy and you can do yourself. If you have any problem you can ask me, because some students tells me that he has solved questions, all exercise, so there is no problem. If anyone has any problem, please contact me on WhatsApp, tell me, I will make a video from question number 41 to 45. Okay, so now today I am starting a new method, the last method to solve the linear equation in two variables, and the method is cross multiplication method. Okay, the method is very easy but the calculative method, so please mind the signs and mind the calculation very carefully. Now today we discuss about cross multiplication method. Students, we have already know that the linear equation two variables simultaneous equations will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Simultaneous form of linear equation in two variables, that is. Okay, you know it. Now we are using cross multiplication method. Method is very easy. Please understand very carefully. In this method we see these equations. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Let's see it very carefully that a1 and a2 is the coefficients of x. Okay, b1 b2 are the coefficients of y, and C1 and C2 are the constant terms. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Now in cross multiplication method, the method is x upon y upon 1 upon. Okay? In first, you should remember that your equation will be in the form of this. Okay, if constant term is that side, to forward it that side. This is the equation and your equation should be in the form of this. Then you can solve by this time. Y is equal sign, because we know that we cross multiply, then the two equations will be on equal. So that will be equal, then we can cross multiply. Okay. So that is equal sign, x upon y upon 1 upon. Okay. Now see, that is x and a1 a2 are the coefficients of x. So a1 and a2 not apply x in x. a1 a2 not apply. We can take only b1 b2 c1 c2. Let b1 b2 c1 c2. Okay, you got it? Now in B, y, b1, b2 are the coefficients, then take c1, c2, a1, a2. Okay, now in constant term 1, we can take a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, you got it? Let's see, b1 b2 c1 c2, that is the end and that is the start, c1 c2 a1 a2, that is the end and that is the start, a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, now first you choose how can you want to multiply. You want that side or that side, you choose. I am choosing that side first. I am choosing that side first. You can also choose that side first, but I am choosing that side first. In first we will multiply that side and last that side. Now see, x upon b1 c2 minus then b2 c1, okay, minus is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1, okay, you got it. And the last one is 1 upon a1 b2 a2 b1. Now that's it. This is the process. This is the process. Now for variables x and y, in first we take x and this, then we find the value of x, then we take this and this, we will find the value of y. This is the process of cross multiplication method. Okay, now we take example. Let's see. And the example is, here is 5x plus 2y is equals to 16 and 7x minus 4y is equals to 2. In first, we should forward constant term here. That will be 5x plus 2y minus 16 is equals to 0. And that will be 7x minus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now I am using cross multiplication method. Okay. So that is x upon y upon 1 upon x upon, then we can't take 5 and 7. We only take 2 and minus 4. That is 2 minus 4. And that is minus 16. And that is minus 2 with sign. Okay, I am not taking 5 and 7 because x is the because 5 and 7 are the coefficients of x, so I am not taking 5 and 7. I am taking only 2 and minus 4, that is minus 16 and minus 2, that is. Now y, then we can't take 2 and minus 4, then we take minus 16 minus 2 and we take 5 and 7. Okay, you got it. Now in the constant term we can't take minus 16 and minus 2, we can't take 5, 7, 2 and minus 4. Okay, that is. Now see, minus 16 to minus 16 to 5, 7, 5, 7. Okay, you got it. Now first I am taking that side multiply. So that is 2 2s are 4 minus plus 16 4s are 64. Okay students, that is 16 7s are 112 minus 5 2s are 10 minus 10, that will be plus 10 because minus 10 and minus 10 plus. Okay, you got it. And the last 5 4s are minus 20 and minus 7 2s are 40. Okay students, then it will be x upon minus 68, y upon minus 102, that will be 1 upon minus 34. Now we take this and this, then find the value of x. Now we take this and this, we find the value of y. Okay, let's see. X upon minus 68 is equals to 1 upon minus 34, that will be plus, that will be good, 68 upon 34, we got it, x is equals to 2. Okay students, now we take this and this, y upon minus 102, 1 upon minus 34, that is 102 upon 34, that is y is equals to 3. That is the solution, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Okay. Now I am sending you next exercise pic. You can solve it very easily. So I am finishing my video here. You can understand this the method, cross multiplication method. See you next video. Thank you.